Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market. Today is 22nd of February and we will continue to talk about the Aussie. Well, although our weekly research was cloudless bullish, because market stands in this point, we see some bullish patterns. This butterfly pattern, larger butterfly pattern. But yesterday was the one of such days when the situation has turned from top to bottom due to escalation of the conflict on the Middle East and Libya and Bahrain. There was the splash of demand for the US dollar, so you can see that the US dollar, due to unstable situation on the Middle East, is rising significantly, also as a Japan yen. Also there was the higher demand as usual on the Swiss franc. So you can see that these currencies accelerates in value compared to other currencies, for example for the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar. So this was one of the fourth major situation when the previous analysis, and due to which previous analysis could fail. But as John Maynard Keynes said, when the facts change, I change my mind. And what do you do, sir? So this is one of the situation. Well, I don't want to say that the longer term analysis, such as the weekly time frame, has been destroyed by this price action, but in general, on the shorter term, I think that this is not the time to enter on the long side. Although I by myself has position in this area, as I mentioned in my weekly research. Well, I take some loss during the yesterday trading session, but loss is just the part of this business, so we just should watch for the next possibility and do not think about the previous trades. Okay, what do we see right now? First of all, I beg your pardon. First of all, look at this bearish wedge that's forming currently. Market has shown trend shift to bullish in this area, but then suddenly and fast returns to the bearish price action. This is in general bearish sign. Also you can see that the butterfly that we have talked previously, this butterfly, now is under question because the market will take out this low. This butterfly will be cancelled by the price action. If you take a look at this ABC pattern, you can see that 100% target is just below this C point. It's below. It means that there's a great probability that market will take out these lows and will negate this butterfly. And we can even expect the breakout of this trend line. So this will be really bearish price action. Also, if it will happen, then you can see that market will move below the monthly pivot point right here, 99.32. Currently, you can see also that market is below the weekly pivot point, 10052, that we have discussed, a strong area of support. For our confidence support right here, that market has totally destroyed. This is market just shows us how it's weak currently. So I think that this is not the time to establish any long positions, intraday long positions on the market and short-term positions on the market. Well, concerning about medium-term perspective, well, maybe we can talk that the weekly analysis is still intact and possibly market can return to the upside move, but currently I do not see any nice patterns that can tell us that possibly market is ready for the move to the upside. Vice versa, I think that we can search for some possibilities to short the market on scalp trades on intraday time frame. Okay, so that's been said, on the daily time frame there is a very bullish, very bearish pattern. First of all, market hasn't quite reached the upper border. It shift trend to the bearish sign. It accelerates below the weekly pivot point, and a target of this possible ABC pattern is below the previous lows. That might mean that market could accelerate after breakout of this line. Okay, now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. What do we see here? This is the same ABC pattern. Now you can see that the market accelerates right to the 618 target and the 4-hour oversold at FIB support. This is 618 FIB support from this recent swing up. Okay, so it means that now market stands at strong support. It oversold and the FIB support, and we should expect some bouncing to the upside for establish any short positions, intraday short positions. Now you can see that 4-hour trend is clearly bearish. Okay, this very nice piercing of the line, very strong signal. Well, on the next 4-hour chart, we can see some levels of resistance that could be used for the possible entry on the short side. The first area could be used the 4-hour conference resistance 10032, 10039. That also includes 10040, the previous highs. It's right here. I marked this line, dash line. Okay, the next area, I think this will be the weekly pivot point. That will be now the resistance, the possible move to the upside. Well, the stop could be placed just above the 618. I think that market should not return above this area, so somewhere around 1010, somewhere in this point you can place the stop after the entering on the short side of the market. Okay, the possible target could be the 100% expansion from this ABC pattern. It's around 9902. This is the futures quotes, so your quotes will be a bit different. Now, that's been said, the situation on the Middle East drastically changed our research on that we have made on the weekly research on our forum. So I think that currently is not the time to establish any long positions on the Australian dollar, and all that I can say currently is maybe we can be lucky to make some scalp trades, short scalp trades in intraday charts, intraday time frame. You can see that daily trend is bearish, 4-hour trend is strongly bearish, so market is below weekly pivot point. So I think that this is enough context for the possible enter on the short side. But currently market is a bit oversold on the 4-hour chart, so we need some bouncing to 10040 area, at least to this area, maybe even to 10074 to establish any short position in continuation of this move. Be careful when you will enter on the market, because market is thin currently. Yesterday it was holiday in the United States, President's Day, so this move was on the thin market. Okay, so be careful. I think that if you, for example, enter from this area and market will start move to the downside, move your stops to break even, because if this will fail move and market returns back, you will lose nothing. Okay, because currently market is very tricky. So control your risk, reduce, maybe it makes sense to reduce a bit trading volume and be careful in trading, but do not establish any long positions currently on the Australian dollar.